In this video, you will learn how to safely and easily hand fill a G NPR type petainerKeg. First of all, always follow our safety guidelines when using petainerKegs. When filling, use eye and ear protection. If you need any further advice or information, please visit our website petainer.com. Ensure you have the correct filling head. The filling head has 3 valves: the gas in valve, the gas out valve, and the product in valve. Before you start filling, clean and sterilize the pipework, the petainerKeg fitting, and the filling head. Hold the keg fitting with one hand and twist the filling head clockwise until it stops. Then push down the handle. The next step is not necessary for pre-purged petainerKegs. Open the gas out valve. Slowly, fully open the gas in valve. Purge with 5 times the keg volume. As a guideline, purge for 30 seconds using a gas pressure between 1.5 and 2.5 bar. Close the gas out valve and wait for the petainerKeg to pressurize. Then close the gas in valve. Ideally, the pressure in the petainerKeg should be 0.5 bar less than the filling pressure. A manometer can be used on all filling heads to control the counterpressure. Ensure that the gas in valve is closed. Slowly open the product in valve. The product will flow into the petainerKeg. Adjust the gas out valve to control the filling speed and foaming. Fill the petainerKeg to the required weight or level. Close the gas out valve. Close the product in valve. Leave a headspace at the top of the petainerKeg. For non-carbonated products, ensure the final pressure in the keg is at least 0.7 bar or 10 psi. Lift the handle, turn the filling head counterclockwise and remove it. Wash the top of the petainerKeg. Use a lifting handle to safely and easily move each filled petainerKeg. If circumstances allow, use a filling temperature above the dew point, or acclimatize the kegs before placing into boxes, or use waterproof boxes. Lift and lower the petainerKeg gently into an approved box. And finally, sterilize the fitting and add a protective cap. Lift the box using the hand holes in the sides.